today we're going to show you how to make a quick breakfast. So the breakfast menu is French toast. I have an ingredient to make some French toast. So we have bread, some eggs, and honey, and also these are the toppings are bananas and blueberries, and a fork to stir. I'm gonna crack some eggs now. I need to crack it. The eggs crack now. Let's stir them. We're gonna put in the bread to the egg. Bread, clean the egg, and then twist it a little bit, and flip to the other side. Ooh, it's full of yellow. This side doesn't have any more yellow. Push the bread, flip it, and wait for the pan to get warm. Put the bread in the pan. We finish it. We're gonna wait for a minute. Now, I think this is the wait now. Oof, it's so hot. Okay, we have a finished toast here now. So let's decorate it. Let's use the fork. Okay, we got a French toast now. We did it, the French toast. Now we have a breakfast.